Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the free video for Tuesday, the 7th February. Well, that was easy, right? Uh, I That's question mark, by the way. So, interesting trade today. We had a bid in the traditional flight to safety quality products. We had gold, as you can see here, bid, really well, nice and firm, 16 higher into about 1238. The yen was bid nicely, almost into a target area up there that I've been offering for a little while at 90. And the bonds and notes, the treasuries over here, they were basically going out on their highs. And so with that, oh, and by the way, Europe lost almost 1.5% today, like 1.4%. So with that, obviously, you would think that the U.S. stocks were down, right? Well, no. And so as you look here, you see that the Nasdaq was also on its highs. So this is a difficult trade, to say the very least. And so what to do with this tomorrow, I'll give you this. We have now, I'm going to look at the S&Ps over here now on a slightly different type of a view, and that is that we're looking at, as you can see, the ticker here at ES.D, and that means it's going to show gaps. Will not show the overnight trade, so no Globex trade. It's going to show the gaps. So, and I wanted to show you that because I wanted you to see that there is a gap here down to 22.79 and some change. And then if you actually look at this trade that's down here in this area, the volume is actually really transacted a little bit lower at 22.75. So actually, I'd be looking for this, although it is a difficult trade. You don't want to go heavily at this idea, but I would be interested in seeing the S&Ps back into this 75/79 area, probably 75 actually. Assess the trade there, especially first time in. I'd look for a bounce, but you want to watch trade pretty closely at 75 to see if you start to indeed see a bounce out of there. And if so, then just know that the expected move that's priced into the options chain this week remains at about approximately 25, 26 points from now into the end of the week. And so that could easily take us up to just above 2300 up here. It'd be about 2308, 2310. And on the low side down here to 2260. So either one of those is very, very doable. We're literally right in the middle of it right this minute. I do, though, look for a trade a little bit lower before we make up our minds if we're going higher or lower, and that would be down to about 75 with a bouncy tendency first time in. Okay, so that's what I got for you for now. There's some trade that I do want to get into a little bit more detail in the premium video, especially over here in the grains, because there is a crop report later this week, and there's something that we're looking at here with regard to that. And other than that, I wish you good trading and look forward to being with you again at the next update. Okay, so till then, you have good trading and good night.